Hello, welcome back to the channel. I'm Ron. Today I'm going to tell you a little story. As of March 2026, YouTube is conducting a large-scale enforcement targeting low-quality, automated, and repetitious content, leading to demonetization and deleting of millions of YouTube channels. Now, from what I understand, this wave is primarily aimed at what I'm going to call AI slop, or channels that mass-produce content with little to no human input. So again, let me tell you a little story. So after 9 years being on YouTube myself, 9 years, the other day I was checking my emails and I got this one, which basically said, "Hey Ron, you know that YouTube channel that you have? Yeah, well, we're going to demonetize it effective immediately. Basically, you can't make money here any longer. Have a great day." So no warning, no strike, no, hey, maybe fix this and we'll go from there. Nothing. Just demonetized. YouTube monetization completely gone. Okay, it didn't say exactly that, but this is the actual email that I received. You can read it here for yourself. Now, if you're a creator, you already know that's not just annoying. That's like your boss walking in the office one morning and saying, "We're not firing you. You're just not going to be paid anymore. You're going to work for free." Now, to be clear, I'm not a full-time YouTube content creator, whatever you want to call it, but that still stings. My channel is my side hustle, like many of you, perhaps. Now, here's the official message up in front of you that I received saying my YouTube channel doesn't meet the YouTube Partner Program guidelines anymore. Okay, but it would have been nice to know which part specifically. And then they hit you with the classic. You can appeal within 21 days or wait 90 days and reapply. Also, don't try to monetize anything or else we might nuke everything. Oh, and my personal favorite, of course, you can still upload videos and grow your channel. Say what? Right? Just for free? Yeah, I don't think so. Now, here's where most people panic, and honestly, I don't blame them. I panicked a bit myself. Because when something like this happens, your brain goes, did I do something wrong? Is my channel done? Am I going to be able to remonetize this thing? Did 9 years just go down the drain just like that? And here's the scary part. This can happen to anybody. Small channels, big channels, doesn't matter if you've been clean for years. Between policy updates that YouTube is doing, AI reviews, and automated systems, sometimes you just get caught up in this net, I call it. So what did I do in my case? Well, in my case, I appealed the decision, as I know that I run a high quality YouTube channel that does abide by the YouTube Partner Program guidelines. And to be clear, YouTube doesn't just want some form being filled out and sent to them. Nope, they want you to create a video explaining yourself and your entire channel. So basically I had to sit there and say, "Hey YouTube, it's me, Ron, blah, 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 blah," and explain my content, explain how I create and edit it, explain what my channel is about. So to be fair and completely honest, I knocked the video out pretty quickly as I wanted to get back to being monetized and I knew I didn't do anything wrong. Now, here's the good news, or something positive out of all this. It only took me a day to get everything remonetized. I'm not kidding. I submitted the appeal, a video I uploaded, and they reviewed it. And then the next day I got, "Congratulations, you're monetized again." Just like that, which is great. Don't get me wrong. But it also raises some serious questions if you're a YouTube creator or even a part-time creator. If it was that easy to fix it, why was it taken away in the first place? And taken away, really without a good explanation. Now, you might think that's where the story ends, right? Nope. Because once monetization came back on and they said, my channel was monetized again, I had to go through a couple steps to get everything set up again. I had to re-verify my identity, hello, driver's license, re-upload that all over again, verify the information. Just to use some of the features, I had to reconnect the monetization settings, basically reset things the way they were set up before I got demonetized. So yeah, there was some extra hoops to jump through that weren't fun. And it wasn't just like they turned everything back on for me. I had to go in there and turn all the settings back on myself. So here's the bigger lesson. And this is why I'm really making this video. This, again, can happen to anyone. It doesn't matter if you're full-time, part-time, creator status. It's something that you just got to be aware of. No warning, no heads up, and possibly no clear reason. Just some generic wording that you're going to get. And that's the part that nobody really talks enough about. It's not like you can pick up a phone and just call someone at YouTube. That's not how it works. It's like, that would be like trying to call someone in the Illuminati, right? You know that they exist, but good luck getting them on the phone or reaching a live person to speak to them. So what have I learned here? And what maybe should you do if this happens, right? If you're a creator, take this seriously. Don't rely on one platform. YouTube is amazing, but it's still someone else's platform. You don't own it. Secondly, always have a backup plan, email list, other platforms, even a simple website if you're running a side business, because if it goes away, what are you going to have left? And third, appeal it if you believe that you're in the right. Don't just accept the fate of some automated tool that you've been demonetized. If you've got a good channel and you know you're doing good content, fight to keep it alive. My appeal worked and it was fast, but that's my story. Yours may be different. Fourth, keep your content clean and clear. Even if you think you're fine, make it obvious. Because sometimes you're not arguing with a person, you're arguing with an algorithm. And I think that's what happened to my channel. Okay, final thoughts here. Look, I'm grateful that it all got fixed, and it got fixed relatively quickly. But I'll be honest, after 9 years, it's a little unsettling knowing everything that I built can be flipped off like a light switch. So yeah, I'm still here, still creating, still monetized, but I'm also a lot more aware as well. YouTube is a platform, not a guarantee. Keep that in mind. Okay, so before I go, if you're a creator, part-time, full-time, whatever it is, drop a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. Or if this happened to you, let me know. Let others know what's going on. And if you got any value from this video, any at all, a thumbs up, a like, a comment down below is always appreciated. I do read the comments, and I usually get back to just about everybody. So I appreciate your time leaving a comment if you did that. So start thinking about a backup plan. You just never know. I'll see everyone in the next video. Take care.